Hey, Dylan King with Home Buyer Louisiana. I am here in Baton Rouge today. So this property has quite a bit of story. So the owner owns this house outright, no mortgage on it. Had a renter. It's been vacant for almost 2 years now. They've also tried to get it renovated and have had bad experiences with contractors. They've hired more than one contractor, runs off with the money, doesn't get any of the work done, doesn't even get any, obviously, of the cleanup done. And like I said, they are out of state, so they're not here to maintain the property. They have been told from neighbors and contacts that are in the area. You can see it's just really opened up pretty much every room. Needs a lot of work. But like I said, contractors not showing up to do the work, running off with the deposits, etc. Not doing what they say they're going to do, right? Because it's not like the owners are in town to stop by and drop in and see how the work's progressing. But yeah, from neighbors, etc., they have also been told that people have been coming in and vandalizing. You can see that's the bathroom behind me. Vandalizing and kind of squatting in the property on and off throughout the time it's been vacant. And they're just done with it. They're totally done with it. They said they want it off their hands as soon as possible. Help. So where'd they go? HomebuyerLouisiana.com. They filled out the form, told us about this property, how to get in touch with them, even though they're out of state. Our team contacted them, and I am here to inspect it, get some pictures, and just see what we can do with it. But we're going to buy this house for cash and as is. So they did the right thing. If you have a property, whether you are in Louisiana and local or not, but if you have a property in Southeast Louisiana or even into Gulf Coast, Mississippi, go to HomebuyerLouisiana.com. Tell us about the property. We're going to come in, look at it, and we're going to buy it from you for cash as fast as we can.